Introducing the all-new BMW M1000RR 50-year M Anniversary Edition. To mark the 50th anniversary of BMW M, founded in 1972 as BMW Motorsport, BMW Motorrad presents the M1000RR Special Edition model in Sao Paulo yellow finish and with the historic 50 years BMW M emblem. With its striking M colors, this anniversary model lives up to the M philosophy and the racing spirit from almost 100 years of motorcycle construction by BMW Motorrad and 50 years of BMW M vehicles. The M-RR Special Edition is therefore fitted with the M Competition package as standard, in addition to the extensive M milled parts package and the exclusive M Carbon package, both a lighter swing arm and silver anodized aluminium, the unlock code for the M GPS lap trigger, as well as the M Endurance chain, pillion package and pillion seat cover, are part of the standard equipment. Mechanically, the new Anniversary Edition sticks to the original specs of the M1000RR. Powering it is the BMW ShiftCam equipped 999cc inline-4 engine, which develops 209 bhp at 14,500 rpm and 113 Nm of torque at 11,000 rpm.